Do you need regular voiceovers to produce YouTube videos? Maybe you are a small business owner and looking for a do-it-yourself marketing solution. Do you want to produce voiceovers to sell to others for profit? You are exactly in the right place. SudoVoice is very easy to use. In order to transform text into a high-quality computer-simulated voice, you simply paste your text into the SudoVoice editor and click a button. It is that easy. After a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready for you to either listen to or download. SudoVoice is in position to become the premier neurolinguistic voiceover company in the world. SudoVoice has over 36 voices in 16 different languages and dialects, and they are all ready to go to work for you right now. By the way, I'm Allison. I am one of the many AI voiceover specialists available to you on SudoVoice. I am now going to let Michael, one of our other American-sounding voiceover specialists, tell you more about SudoVoice.
Hi, I'm Michael. I am one of the many human-sounding, AI-generated voices that you can have access to when you become a member of SudoVoice. There are many reasons people use SudoVoice to create human-sounding voiceovers. Perhaps you want to make YouTube videos, but you do not have a voice that comes across well on a recording. Or maybe you are uncomfortable speaking into a microphone. Maybe English isn't your first language and you want to tap into the markets of wealthy, English-speaking countries. On the flip side, perhaps you want to make voiceovers in many different languages. Did you know that you can use free online services such as Google Translate to translate text from your native language into many other languages? You could then paste that text into SudoVoice, select the corresponding language and voiceover artist to create voiceovers in other languages. Now I am going to hand you off to Charlotte, one of our British-sounding voiceover specialists. Charlotte will briefly introduce you to some of our non-English speaking voiceover voices.
Thank you, Michael. I will be brief here. As Michael stated, my name is Charlotte. I am also one of the many voices available to you when you purchase SudoVoice. I will now demonstrate a few of our best neurolinguistic voices from around the world. First on the list is Laura. Laura is our Spanish-sounding voice. Hello, Laura.
Hola, soy Laura, soy una locutora española especialista.
Here's Enrique, who is also Spanish.
Hola, soy Enrique, soy un locutor masculino especialista en español.
And here's Renee with a soft, French, human-sounding voice.
Salut, je suis Renée. Je suis spécialiste de la voix off féminine française.
And we have German. Say hi, Dieter.
Hallo, ich bin Dieter. Ich bin ein deutscher männlicher Sprecher.
We also have computerized AI-generated voices in Dutch, Italian, Chinese, French, Canadian, Brazilian Portuguese, Czech, Swedish, Japanese, Arabic, and Korean. As you can see, we have plenty of languages and many different dialects. I told you that I would be brief, so I will now pass you back to Allison. Allison will go over with you why you may want to use SudoVoice instead of hiring a professional voiceover artist.
Hi, it's Allison. There are two main reasons people use SudoVoice instead of hiring a professional voiceover artist. The first reason is cost. It can cost you hundreds of dollars to have a voiceover made by a voiceover artist. They usually charge you by the word. Conversely, once you have SudoVoice, you can make as many voiceovers as you want for free. The second reason is time. It can take several days or weeks to get your voiceover back from a voiceover artist. What if you get the voiceover back and you decide the script's not right, or you would rather have a female voice instead of a male voice? What if you think a British accent might have sounded better? In those cases, you would have to rewrite your script, find another voiceover artist, and have them to make another voiceover. You could be out hundreds of more dollars, and your project could be set back for weeks. With SudoVoice, you can remake the voiceover with another voice in seconds. SudoVoice is a no-brainer if you have a need for voiceovers. Now I will pass you back to Michael. He will explain how you can start using SudoVoice today for a low one-time payment.
Hi, it's me, Michael. If you are still with us, you must be interested in SudoVoice. Did you know that now is the best time to purchase SudoVoice? That's right. Normally we would charge a monthly recurring fee to use SudoVoice. For a limited time only, as a way to introduce SudoVoice to the world, we are offering SudoVoice for a low introductory rate of only $46. After that, you will have access to SudoVoice and all of the voices from this video and more. After the $46 investment, you will be paid in full with nothing else to purchase, ever. Soon, we will go up on our prices substantially, so to get in on this low introductory offer, you must act now. Click the Buy Now button down below to take advantage of this offer and start making voiceovers today. Remember, you are covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee.